Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your server name on Discord on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like, leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, you can either do this on the Discord app or you can do it via the web browser. It's exactly the same process, but I'll be showing you how to do this on a web browser today. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and come to my Discord and then go ahead and log in. So I'm going to use my Digital Tutor server as an example. And you can see currently this is called Digital Tutor Server. To go ahead and change this name, what I need to do is click the down arrow up here in the top left hand corner, and then I want to come down and click onto server settings. And then you can see from here you can change a few things on the channel, so you can upload a different image if you want to for the server icon. But what we're going to do is change the name. So here it says server name. I'm just going to change that to, let's go for DT YouTube, like so. And then what's going to happen, a box should come up at the bottom, and all you need to do is click the Save Changes green button down here. And then when you hit the Escape button, this cross up here, you'll see the server name has now changed to DT YouTube. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.